Magandang araw! Today, allow me to share sa inyo kung paano ba mag-apply ng HMO dito kay Medicard online. So first, you have to visit the website of Medicard, which is medicardfills.com. Punta lang kayo dun sa healthcare packages and then you'll see these options. So for example, for individuals, then you will see here yung healthcare packages. Let's say you wanted to avail the standard plan, so click nyo yung buy now. So you have the option for new applicant and renewal. Click nyo yung new applicant. Then next. So dito makikita nyo na yung mga type of plan. So for example, you want yung small private. Then continue. You'll see here the rates. Scroll down para lang mag-continue. Then dito, meron siyang enter principal details na button. Click nyo lang yon. Then you can fill out na yung mga information required. Okay? Please be reminded lang na ilagay nyo dito sa account officer section yung aking account officer code para ma-endorse ko kayo sa retail team ni Medicard. So you can put AIA 007628506. Okay? Just continue nyo lang. Once ma-fill out nyo lahat ng information na required, okay? Click nyo lang itong mga box na to and then save. Magpo-proceed na siya and make sure na take a screenshot ng inyong confirmation and send it to me by email.